3 reasons why you cannot find a partner. Is there true love? It is a question that accompanies us since we're very young and that surrounds us in the illusion. Even when we have failed again and again, it is still latent, only that it is accompanied by an eternal doubt: why can't I find the love of my life? Or even, why can't I find the right man? Between the incredible stress of an eternal singleness, the lack of children or family codependence, some women often block for themselves the arrival of love with limitations, self-incrimination, and low self-esteem. The truth is that although it is always stressed that it is the attitude that you should activate to be attractive to them, there are more reasons, and here we give you some of them. 1. You close your circle. If you want someone to approach you, you must show yourself really accessible. Smiling is always an infallible key to break the ice. Open up to meet new people and not just base yourself in your usual social circle and judging before knowing. Show also interest in new topics, activities, and people. 2. Self-esteem. If you want someone to fall in love with you, you must love the woman you are and how you have led your life. Know that mistakes also identify you, but that your personality wraps you in authenticity. Many women become their own stepmother, that is, they judge and criticize their actions to such a degree that they come to repudiation. They do not love what they see in the mirror and they think they are insufficient for their partners. The best way to eradicate this is to know that singleness is not eternal and individuality is a unique quality that instead of being something negative is something extremely positive. Nobody wants a woman to be the copy of another. 3. What you reflect. The routine turns against when work and home absorb you, especially because the mind is engaged in the thematic and attitudes based on them. You must learn to differentiate the work and family moment of the moment in which you are engaging in a conversation that you want to take you to a new relationship. Forget that point and highlight your personality, what you like and what makes you happiest. Do not expect love to come to you if you do not go out to look for it, or you are active for it. Source: https://www.soycarmen.com. To learn more about 3 reasons why you cannot find a partner, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, comment and download the book free by clicking the image on the right or the link in the description below.